What plants like coffee grounds? Boost growth naturally. Coffee grounds are an excellent organic material that can enrich your garden soil, but not all plants benefit from their use. At our channel MTech HD, we'll provide a professional guide on which plants thrive with coffee grounds and how to use them effectively. Coffee grounds are slightly acidic and rich in nitrogen, which is beneficial for acid-loving plants like blueberries, azaleas, rhododendrons, and hydrangeas. They can also support vegetables like tomatoes, carrots, and radishes by improving soil structure and adding essential nutrients. However, moderation is key, as excessive coffee grounds can create overly acidic or compacted soil. To use coffee grounds effectively, sprinkle them sparingly around the base of your plants or mix them into compost to neutralize their acidity before application. Avoid using coffee grounds directly on seedlings or delicate plants, as they can inhibit growth. Additionally, coffee grounds can act as a natural mulch, retaining moisture in the soil and deterring pests like slugs and snails. When using coffee grounds, always test your soil's pH to ensure compatibility with your plant's needs. For lawns and garden beds, you can mix coffee grounds with other organic materials to create a balanced, slow-release fertilizer. While coffee grounds are a fantastic addition to your gardening routine, remember that not all plants thrive on acidity. Herbs like lavender and rosemary prefer neutral to alkaline soil. By understanding how and where to use coffee grounds, you can naturally boost plant health and productivity in your garden. Subscribe to our channel MTech HD for more expert gardening tips and eco-friendly solutions to enhance your gardening journey.